Good morning. Please have a seat.
Good morning. Thank you for having me.
My name is Mark, and I'll be interviewing you today.
Nice to meet you, Mark.
So, Anna, thank you for coming in. Let's start with a simple question. Can you tell me a little about yourself?
Sure. I have 3 years of experience working in customer service, mostly in call centers and online support. I enjoy helping people and solving problems.
That's great. What made you apply for this customer support position?
I like this company's values, and I enjoy working directly with customers. I'm also good at staying calm under pressure.
That's very important in this role. Can you describe a difficult situation you had with a customer and how you handled it?
Of course. Once, a customer was very upset because his order arrived late. I listened carefully, apologized sincerely, and offered a solution. By the end of the call, he was much calmer.
That's a good example. This job requires strong communication skills. How comfortable are you speaking English with customers?
I'm comfortable, but I'm always working to improve. I practice every day, and I'm confident I can communicate clearly and professionally.
That's good to hear. This position also involves answering emails and live chats. Do you have experience with that?
Yes, I've handled emails and chat support in my previous job.
Excellent. Are you comfortable working as part of a team?
Absolutely. I believe teamwork helps provide better service to customers.
Good answer. What are your availability and preferred working hours?
I'm available full-time, including weekends if needed.
Perfect. Thank you for your time today, Anna. We'll be in touch soon.
Thank you very much. I look forward to hearing from you.